So, ito na nga yung nakakaasar dito, no? Yung mga influencers ngayon, common na sa kanila yung gumawa ng mali, gumawa ng kabobohan, gumawa ng katangahan. Tapos, ayaw nilang mag-take accountability, umamin doon sa kung ano yung ginawa nila para makapag-improve sila doon sa part na yon. Doon pa lang sa pagsosorry nila, hindi nga nila masabi kung ano yung maling nagawa nila. That's very important when you're saying sorry. Kasi kung magsosorry ka at hindi mo alam kung ano yung nagawa mong mali, paano ka magbabago? Diba? Yung mga paiyak-iyak na yan, paiyak-iyak tuwing live, ang dali lang umiyak eh. Alam mo yung mas mahirap? Yung magsabi ka ng totoo at aminin mo yung ginawa mo and to move forward and become better next time. But no, they will act as they are the victim. Na too much yung pag-call out sa kanila nung nahuli yung pagsisinungaling, yung maling ginawa nung mga influencer na yan. Gusto nilang i-maintain yung pagiging pure sa mga fans nila instead of admitting that, hey, I'm a person only. This is what I did wrong. I'm sorry. I will be better next time. But no, hindi. Kasi kasalanan nito ganyan-ganyan. Hindi ko naman alam eh. Hindi ko naman alam na bawal yan. Hindi ko naman alam na ito kainatnan yan eh. It's always, I don't know. It's always not me. It's always other people. Bukod sa sarili ko yung may problema. Growth is not comfortable. It is painful because what you need to do is you need to kill the last version of yourself who committed the mistake. But people with ego problems are having a problem killing their previous or their old self because they like their old self. Mas madaling manloko kaysa aminin mo yung maling ginawa mo at magbago. That's always the case. The problem with that is, well, in the future, people will catch up with you. Kahit paunti-unti, tumatalino ang mga tao. And if they actually come up to see your facade, your mask that you are wearing in public, they will resent you. They will resent you not because may nagawa kang mali, pero dahil ayaw mong aminin yung ginagawa mong mali. Well, siguro for some who are very blindly following you, they will remain. But they will not trigger any growth sa iyo or sa community nyo. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.